We're diving into the fascinating world of immunophenotyping by flow cytometry, focusing on the CD14 test. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on all things medical diagnostics. Let's get started. Pre-test information. Before we dive into the specifics of the CD14 test, it's crucial to provide a brief clinical history. This involves gathering details about the patient's symptoms, previous medical history, and any relevant clinical findings. This information helps guide the interpretation of the test results and ensures a comprehensive understanding of the patient's condition. Specification of test. Now let's talk about the test specifications. The CD14 test is a type of immunophenotyping by flow cytometry. CD14 is a monocytic cell marker that plays a key role in identifying and monitoring chronic myelomonocytic leukemia, CMML. It's particularly useful in differentiating between promonocytes and monocytes when morphological distinction is challenging and when dealing with low numbers of immature monocytes. Disease associated. The primary disease associated with the CD14 test is chronic myelomonocytic leukemia, or CMML. This type of leukemia involves a high number of monocytes in the blood and bone marrow. The CD14 marker helps in diagnosing and monitoring the progression of this disease, as well as distinguishing it from other similar conditions. Specimen used. For the CD14 test, the specimen used is typically a blood sample. This sample is processed through flow cytometry to detect the presence and quantity of CD14 on the cells, providing valuable insights into the patient's condition. Components included. The components of the CD14 test include monoclonal antibodies specific to the CD14 antigen, flow cytometry equipment, and reagents for cell staining and analysis. These components work together to accurately identify and quantify CD14 positive cells in the sample. Test report time. One of the benefits of the CD14 test is the quick turnaround time for results. Reports are typically available the same day, allowing for prompt diagnosis and treatment planning. Test information. To summarize, CD14 is a monocytic cell marker essential for diagnosing and monitoring chronic myelomonocytic leukemia. It helps differentiate between various types of monocytes and is particularly useful in challenging cases. By using flow cytometry, we can accurately assess the presence of CD14 and provide valuable information for managing the disease.